Stop for food. Dede, which one is really stop for food? The fans are contemplating, guys. Are you sad? Engage, like, share, comment, okay? So when the gist is cooking, definitely to brought to your doorstep. Don't leave with them. Always tune in and stay tuned. It's giving engagement plenty. We are cooking this side. When you turn this one, they are engaged. When you turn this one, they are cooking. So which are we doing? That is more like it, and that is what we are praying for. So who are those people who are saying, hey, this is the hub, although brand wasn't that like water, but they are really trying in their own way, isn't it? So guys, you can see this outfit, this beautiful face is not just for a joke, it's for a reason, because they can come out like this. Although Dede is a fashionista on her own, let's just give it for her 100. She's on 100, baby girl. In fact, she has been nailing outfits since in the house, so there is nothing to talk about. So if have had a lot to talk about these her beautiful looks. Star Year although says in like no be small, they even said, I went as far as saying National Princess Day arrives every year on November 18, inviting people of all ages to embrace their inner reality, and not through tag trust and bargains alone, but through courage, kindness, confidence, and believe that everyone carries the spark of a princess inside. Very. Yeah, this goes for every lady in it, right? So far, they are your fans. You got this to tell them. For real, you got this to tell them, because everybody got their own area of where they can do very well and be recognized. And some people got yes, where they can do very well. So can you tell me? You can tell me, netters who haven't seen this, I'm so damn happy that Dede got in the hype. She deserves, guys. If she cooking something, we get to find out. Okay, National Princess Day cannot be complete with this nation's princess. The nation's princess, happy National Princess Day. Oh, really? It was yesterday. Oh, it was called the National Princess Day. We even have something called that way. Did you know that? I'm just saying this for the first time. Or anyway. The other side, goddamn. Someone's a quick stop for food. Okay. Hey, Dede, what is she up to? Aussie their mother. Or is it Aussie their mother? Aussie their mother. She is their mother. This is same this dragging sultanabbnaija. This was a mom. Someone just took her time to hype Dede mom. Mom, I love you a lot. There is something unique about Miss Ashogu. May God bless and protect you always, and thank you for giving us a queen. We so appreciate how I admire this woman. Only God knows. But we to appreciate her. She is a good mother, a daughter that's care, that have the fear of her mom, like that. She is well trained. So, and the way that they played her role, her game in the house need to be studied. So why won't a mother like this been giving her accolade? She deserves everything and more. So you see the way the daughter led by example to show that I am well trained from in as much as my classic life don't deter or don't deprive me of being submissive, because some kids out there that their life, their wayward life will even not resonate with that of the mom. We can see that the mom is a churchy person, so, and the baby girl showed the ways of that in the house, proved to the world that no, you can't see me in that aspect. I respect myself and my mom. Okay, kudos to you, Dede. You really played a nice game in the house. There's no cap. I applaud and I accolade you for that. Okay, this one said, I have worked with Tommy before, so whatever they cooked would be super sweet. She's a great woman. Love to see stuff like this. Well done, my cookies. Like, oh, Tommy. I think I've seen this face too with Imisi, if I'm not mistaken. Am I mistaken? Or is it a stand of Dede? Alright, they are cooking something. Seeing these two together tells a lot, because it's a different face, right? Or what? Or would you say it's our fans? No. They are cooking something great. What presents did the nation praise? Oh yeah, wishing your baby the word presents. No be small matter, and no be small matter. Sisters, guys, what do you have to say over, guys? There is another tracks in it from the same Gladys, so Gladys no go rest. Gladys said, BB housemate with star power, girls category, Dede and Missy, boys category, Coin and Faith. Oh yeah, did you resonate with this? Hey, let's see if people go agree. You know they will disagree to agree in this phase of fame. That is one thing with this life. So, but if you resonate with this, yes, Coin and Faith. Yeah, for real. But Dede and Missy, yeah, it might be your all to see, because may seem as though they got the huge fan base over, or okay, this is star power, right? Okay, no, there's still others though. It was star power with her Sultana argue with Imisi, but Dede, she and Sultana they drag second spot somehow, something like that. You self know that you be joker inside and outside your favorite no reach. Ask other fan base, they will tell you. When we know the backstage people. Oh god damn. So Sultana is the backstage. Oh really? Anyway guys, let's tell ourselves the truth. Sultana is trendy, Dede is trendy, everybody got their own style, but Imisi, you know, Imisi own joke. They even admit to that. Cause you can see, right? Dede fans posted Dede in as much as they post Dede face and Imisi cause is their fan. Okay, their fave, sorry. So and even the Sultans even admit, one of them admit to that Imisi, aside from Imisi, no one come close to Imisi push to star power. Imisi got and bag and gone. Anyway, this one said, "Oh come, you get level. Imagine AB, make it feeling funky. Oh yeah, don't even dare. Glad to see you." You won't compare Sultana today, they say nah, meant or malaria. I take care of the show, queen of aura from where to where. Say this one day wine. She this one day wine. You guys, you compare Sultana today, the wahala, a whole win herself, they tremble where they. More like housemate I like. Drop names of any housemate that have star power that these people I mentioned. If it's sure for you, drop your name. Isabella people will come and attack you. Alright guys, the way I say things, let me give you my own their name in a specific way all the though. You see Imisi, Dede and Sultana in between though. Yeah, Dede and Sultana, Isabella, god damn, Isabella, they choke. In fact, she's more trendy. Isabella, I think for the female. Yeah, for the male, Coin, Faith, let's say Jason J2 is doing the most. Yeah, you see this remation, others are trying, but these are my own fake for now. I don't know about you. What do you felt though? If I mistake or making maybe your own take might even remind me of the people I never even thought, because I mean 10 of the finalists too, because the finalists they are the ones taking more train than the previous housemate, because you can come close. Trust that each season comes, the finalists got the highest hype so far. In fact, they be the one that they talk about. They are the talking or the topic of the season throughout though. Anyway, Dede posted her picture, and her picture had been flying like mad. A lot of hype for this girl. Damn pretty good. Damn, who are those people who always come for her saying she don't have anything to show for it? For her pretty, well of course she don't she don't shush on her mouth. She has been bagged in like the little or the few I can talk about. At least she has influenced 3 brands right away from not mistaken. Are you opposing that or not? Because I brought that to your age, so you shouldn't say pimp. Okay, this will say again, no one come close. Me there is so clear. Just see now the blueprint. Where is vulgar magazine, like baby girl need back to back, need gigs back to back like a joke. Mirror, who is the fairest and the shiniest of all? Mirror easy, me there the one who works in the and outshine effortlessly. She's her. Soft and softless, effortless. Oh, she posted that soft and effortless. Alright, she just give me say you are very fine. She fine. No be more soft and effortless. The baby girl Dede, she's pretty and she's giving outfit a joke. Everything check for her side this push. So she's trying her best to update you guys of what she can offer. So brand builders, where are you guys? Media you guys sad, keep it cool. Okay guys, what do you have to say? Make some noise in the comment section regards what I brought to your doorstep. I'm hanging up, catch you minutes. Please bye for now.